I'm Joshua Bardwell, and come along with me as I'm going to learn something today. This is the CheaterKwad, and you may or may not have seen the Rotor Riot episode we shot where me and a couple of the other Rotor Riot pilots tried to figure out how to fly the CheaterKwad to make it actually look good instead of just looking like a novelty, like a trick. I say you may or may not have seen it because I'm not sure if it's come out yet, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm back on my home turf, and I'm going to try to fly the CheaterKwad and see what could make it look good. In case you're not sure what a CheaterKwad is a quad with a front and a back-facing camera. So I can fly the quad forwards or backwards. I can see where I'm going, but from the GoPro's perspective, it looks like I'm doing, how is he flying backwards without crashing? I've got a video showing you how I built this exact quad and showing you how I set up the transmitter and, all the aux modes and everything. And I'll put a link to those videos down in the video description if you want to build your own CheaterKwad. But stick around, because I think you're going to find that it's much more than just like a stupid novelty or a trick. It's actually a really good addition to your creative palette that, gets you thinking about how you fly a little differently. Let's do it.
The highway along the ocean, drive fast through your emotions, high speed, and we're together till the end. The sun is going down, the night, just call it out. High speed, we're still together, nothing more. Going down, the night, just call it out. High speed, we're still together, nothing more.